Today we're shipping our first Quickfire Survive. It's a survival kit with a fire starter kit, and optionally the fat wood can be included. So we've gone from our Quickfire Striker, which is great for lighting a fire with no matches and can be used with propane stoves and backpacker stoves. And these strikers can be personalized with a name on the front. They come with a piece of fat wood if you're buying the Quickfire Striker kit. Now let's look at the Quickfire Survive. It comes with the two compartments. One compartment holds encases the striker portion, and the other compartment encases the ferrocerium rod, or ferro rod, or some people call it flint. Now, this is a unique survival kit as it comes with everything you need to start a fire with no matches, which in this case will be this cotton. And on the other side of the Quickfire kit survival kit, we do have band-aids and aqua tabs to purify your water. Now right now it's cold, below zero in our woods up here in Peachland, and so we're gonna just start a fire with no matches right now. We like to use the fat wood that comes with the Quickfire kit, but some people do have difficulty in getting it going, and so we can use a little piece of cotton. Now what we have done and are doing is processing our changes to this Quickfire Survive, and we're adding a new tab that will completely open up the top and make it much more accessible. Now when you are out in the woods, you probably will have a fire starting kit of your own, but when we ship the Quickfire Survive, we include some wood shavings to add to your fire starting practice set. Now, fat wood is recommended because it will burn longer. And also, if you're starting a fire with no matches, you want to make sure that you have some other smaller kindling available. And if that kindling is not available, make sure you have your fat wood sliced up into bits and pieces. And you will have a fire in no time that will keep you warm, happy, and healthy, and you will survive.